Hi everyone! In this video we will do pages 11 and the listening challenge from chapter 11, English conversation for home cooking. Are you ready? Let's begin! 11. Jack is telling Melissa about his next cooking challenge. Listen and complete the conversation. My next challenge is to make meat sauce pasta. No way! Actually, I made that last night. Oh, really? How did you make it? First, I got some ground beef, pasta sauce, and spaghetti noodles. Then I cooked the ground beef in a fry pan while boiling the pasta. Then I poured the pasta sauce on the ground beef. Lastly, I drained the pasta and mixed it with sauce in the fry pan. I got it. I will definitely try to make it. Good luck. Thanks. 11. Listening challenge. Lisa and Kyle are talking about home cooking. Listen and complete the conversation. Guess what I cooked yesterday? What? Grilled chicken with broccoli and mushrooms. Wow, that's great. What ingredients did you use? Boneless chicken thighs, salt, pepper, broccoli, and mushrooms. Sounds delicious. It was. How did you make it? First, I put salt and pepper on the chicken. Then I cooked the chicken on one side for 8 minutes and then 8 minutes on the other side. While cooking the chicken, I boiled the broccoli. Lastly, I cooked the mushrooms and combined everything together. Wow, that sounds pretty easy. I think I will try to make it. You can do it. My next challenge is to make avocado sauce pasta. No way! Actually, I made that last month. Oh, really? How did you make it? First, I got 2 avocados, some olive oil, soy milk, garlic, dry consommé, and salt. Then I combined them together in a big bowl while cooking the pasta. Lastly, I drained the pasta and mixed it with the avocado sauce. I got it. I will definitely try to make it. Good luck. Thanks. What's your next cooking challenge? Please tell me in the comments. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.